In Ken Kesey's One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest, Part 2 takes the readers deeper into the mechanisms and power structures of the mental institution, primarily through the metaphor of the combine. This part of the narrative is significant as it explores themes of control, individuality, and resistance, particularly through the character development of Randle McMurphy and Nurse Ratched. Chief Bromden, the narrator, observes that the combine, which symbolizes the oppressive societal machine, is functioning with renewed efficiency. This allusion to the combine is crucial as it represents the broader societal norms and institutions that suppress individuality and enforce conformity. Within the hospital, Nurse Ratched, known as Big Nurse, is the embodiment of the combine's control, wielding power with her calculated precision over the patients. Her sterile, white hands operating the controls serve as a visual representation of her cold and mechanical dominance over the ward. McMurphy, the brash and rebellious protagonist, initially serves as the disruptive force against Nurse Ratched's regime. However, his recent withdrawal into conformity is pivotal in this section. This change marks a temporary victory for Nurse Ratched and the Combine, illustrating how even the strongest personality can be subdued by the relentless pressures of oppressive systems. McMurphy's brief capitulation shows the ease with which the Combine can regain control, highlighting the dangers of losing one's individuality. The character development in this section is subtle yet profound. McMurphy's choice to conform initially may appear as a setback in his battle against Nurse Ratched, but it is also a strategic retreat. It presents a complex layer to his personality, showing that even the most defiant individuals are sometimes forced to compromise within oppressive environments. Meanwhile, Nurse Ratched's resurgence in power underscores her role as the quintessential authoritarian figure, whose strength lies in her unwavering control over the institution's operations. Themes of power and control are ever present as McMurphy navigates the intricacies of the ward. His temporary compliance allows Nurse Ratched's regime to flourish once more, illustrating how fragile resistance can be in the face of unyielding authority. Yet, McMurphy's presence continues to reverberate through the ward, silently encouraging patients to recognize their own suppressed individuality. In summarizing Part 2 of One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest, it is essential to consider how the narrative delves into the psychological and societal battles between individuality and conformity. The portrayal of the Combine as a metaphor for societal pressure reflects Kesey's critique of oppressive institutions, a theme that is amplified through McMurphy's and Nurse Ratched's dynamic. This section sets the stage for future conflict and potential revolutions within the ward, foreshadowing the ongoing struggle for human spirit and freedom against the mechanical forces of control. We've reached the end of another Bookly crash course. Did this summary help you understand the book better? Drop a comment below and let me know what aspects of the story resonated with you the most.